Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. I had a recent question or comment on how to connect OBS or how to connect your iPhone to do video recording in OBS on your Mac. So I decided to make this video for one of the comments that I had, and let's just get into it here. So I've got OBS open right now, and I'm going to go into... So in order to use your phone camera in OBS, there's a couple of methods to do it. It actually doesn't matter whether you're using video or photography. So right now I'm in photo mode. So as you can see right there is my Focusrite. That's the Rode mic that I'm actually using right now to speak with. And as you can see, when I pop up here, when I change this to video, it's the same thing. So the only thing is, I'm not too sure if the question relates to this, but if you do take a photo, it's just going to get stored on your iPhone. But if you just wanted to use this, your iPhone as a camera or a source, it's pretty easy. I'm just going to do this right now. So I'm going to first create a scene. And the scene, I'm just going to call it iPhone. iPhone test. Click OK. So we got iPhone test here. So in order to do this, we are going to add a video capture device. So basically, we're capturing video on a capture device, a compatible device. And because I have one existing, which is the iPhone X, but let's say this is a new one. So we're just going to create new, and I'm just going to leave it as, you can name it whatever, and you click on OK. So this is your future iPhone or Android device. Android is a little different because I would say it's more difficult because you have to make sure that, like I have a Galaxy S10, you have to make sure that you have the proper driver, it connects to Mac, but when it comes to iPhone, because it's Mac related, you don't have to worry about drivers. Mac already finds a driver. It's very easy. So let's get back into this. So in this video capture device, as soon as you plug in your iPhone, make sure your iPhone is plugged in, come over here to device, and it automatically detects this feature here. Now, I can select different captures, like I've got a 4K cam, which is my Canon XA camcorder. So as you can see, you'll see on the sport here, see that's me right here. Or I can go to my MacBook Pro camera over here. Right? Or I can go to my iPhone X. And that's how you do it. So this is my iPhone X right here. So sometimes when I do overhead shots or when I'm doing a video tutorial, what I'll do is I'll just start showing, I'll flip my camera around and actually have it up here. I've got this that hangs my iPhone X to do overhead shots. So when I'm doing a video, I use a Stream Deck right here. Let me just flip it around here. So I got the Stream Deck. And then this allows me to kind of flip between scenes. So right now I got my iPhone X screen. My Flip 55 is actually the camcorder. Then if I want to record my monitor using OBS, I press that. This allows me to work pretty fast within OBS. So then let's get back into here. So that's my iPhone doing a display capture, video capture. Now you can set your presets of resolution size, right? So if you wanted to change this, you can just come over here. Like that. And then you'd press OK at the bottom or just press enter. And now you have your screen. So now you can start playing around things like, adjusting this. kind of like that. Then you can add overlays as well, like what I did with one of my overlays. If you see here, if I press one of these overlays, I call it iPhone overlay. Now watch when I press iPhone overlay, it actually shows up this overlay, which is, if I wanted to show and do a tutorial on my iPhone, actually, this is how I do my iPhone tutorials. And now if I wanted to go back to a certain scene, like the scene that we created, actually, we didn't save it. Actually, did we? I think we did. Let's go back. Yeah, here it is. So iPhone, I made one test iPhone video capture device. So now that is capturing, it's still capturing my screen, but it's going to enable the camera as soon as I press on the camera. And that's it, like that. So you can start to add overlays and configure this. So if you wanted to add an overlay, you just press plus and then you put image. Then once you drag and drop your image, what you'd want to do is just make sure that the image is underneath it and then that your iPhone camera is on top of it. So that's how I did my overlay, but that's how I use my iPhone as a video capture device for doing my overhead shots, right? And I'll just show you when I select. So when I select this one right here, so this is my iPhone overlay, right? Now it's just showing what I'm doing. If I was doing a tutorial, now if I do iPhone X, this is actually my overhead camera, if I have it set up or installed right here. So let's go back and press iPhone X. And as you can see, now it's important when you actually start working with this, you want to make sure that your phone never goes off, so display never goes off, right? So, and it's pretty good. It beats like buying an extra camera. Like right now I have a Logitech Bravio 4K webcam, but the thing is with OBS you could only have 2 webcams, so I can't have 3 running. And then also when you're running Camtasia, because right now I'm recording with Camtasia Studio, but when I have Camtasia Studio, it disables my Logitech just because it's fighting with OBS to say, hey, I want to use a camera. Then OBS says nope, and then it just gives me an error. But anyways, that is how do you add it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.